Conspiracy in Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels and confessions and deep secrets. Kana katika kutanka kukwepa neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masmure Zimbabwe itakugira inya Buditswa na Senator Tshabangu avabuda achidismissa suspension ya varunzi vakaitwa from the Citizens Coalition for Change Party. Vabuda achitaura yava vachiti it is now and void. And funga Thursday the acting president of another CCC faction, Vakabuda achitaura vachiti Tshabangu suspendwa mune Zimbabwe just hours after High Court yakarula kuti Tshabangu haana authority to make changes in parliament. Vanyube Vabuda achitaura vachiti Tshabangu claimed to be the CCC's interim secretary general, and he was going to face a hearing for allegedly bringing the party into disrepute in Zimbabwe. Tshabangu, through his spokesperson, Zita Mlilo, Vakabuda achitaura the Newsday vachitaura vachiti Tshabangu haana a suspension letter yakarisiva in Zimbabwe. Vakataura ivo vachiti and he is focused on addressing serious political issues that will face nyika yeZimbabwe, and he is not going to be distracted a side show irikuitwa suspension yake. Vakabuda zvakare vachitaura vachiti vanyuwe 90-day term yavo as an acting president hanzi expire, so he is not able to suspend anyone. Zvinomira mushe mubato Citizens Coalition for Change mushure mekunge vachamisa vakasiya party iyi muna 2024. Zvinomira mushe yasplita into 3 factions, and the 3 factions yaya vese vari kuclaima the legitimate authority mune Zimbabwe yeparty iyoyi. Nyaya yakabudiswa nePindula News vachitaura vachiti Senator Tshabangu has dismissed his suspension from Citizens Coalition for Change Party as a sideshow, declaring it now and void. On Thursday, the acting president of another CCC faction, reportedly suspended Tshabangu just hours after the High Court ruled that Tshabangu had no authority to make changes in parliament. Nube said that Tshabangu, who claims to be the CCC's interim secretary general, would face a hearing for allegedly bringing the party into disrepute. However, Tshabangu, through his spokesperson, Zita Mlilo, told Newsday that he had not received any suspension letter, said Mulilo. Senator Tshabangu has not received any suspension letter from Professor Nube. It would be strange if it were to happen. The position is and has been that the terms of office of structures of the party, as they are detailed in Article 6 of the party's constitution, expired. We are in search of a legally sound political solution to that issue. In any event, suspensions of members of the party are not done by president and or acting president. That power resides elsewhere. Mulilo added that Tshabangu is focused on addressing serious political issues facing the country and will not be distracted by sideshows. He also said that Nube's 90-day term as acting president has expired, rendering him unable to suspend anyone. Since CCC's founding president Nelson Chamisa left the party in early 2024, the party has split into 3 factions, each claiming to be legitimate authority. One faction is led by Tshabangu, another by Nube, and a third by Jameson Timber, the self-proclaimed chief administrator of the party. Nomabuditsiro akatwanya iyi mune Zimbabwe nePindula News zvinoumira mushe mubato reCitizens Coalition for Change mune bongozozo amuna kumira mushe faction yavaShabangu iri kutaura iyo ichiti elections should be postponed mune Zimbabwe, but kutaura kwatikuita yakaexposwa na judge for Zimbabwe court chinzi Tshabangu is a political imposture. Tingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi, tiudze zvamuri kufunga mucomment section. Nofunga myzimbabwe.com yakanga yabuda ichitaura pamusoro pekudzingwa kwaTshabangu vachitaura ivo vachiti Watchman Nube and Tshabangu's relationship has reportedly become irreconcilable as they tussle for control of the opposition party. The situation worsened after Tshabangu unilaterally reshuffled parliamentary committee chairpersons and ordered CCC MPs to visit President Emerson Mnangagwa's cricket farm in Kwekwe, Midlands Province. This visit was met with mixed feelings, with some CCC activists refusing to dine with the ZANU-PF leader. Tshabangu claims to be CCC's interim secretary general and is the de facto leader, while Nube asserts he is the acting president. Tshabangu recently appointed members to the party's local government caucus, but the Ngube faction declared the appointments null and void. The Ngube-led faction then threatened to take action against Tshabangu for making unilateral decisions. In an interview with Newsday, Tshabangu spokesperson Nobizira Mlilo scoffed at the threats, saying Tshabangu remains focused on nation building and national consensus. He said, "There's a difference between a threat and a promise. It's only time we will figure out which is which." Senator Tshabangu will then respond as will be necessary with consummate measures. For now, Senator Tshabangu remains focused on national tasks at hand and national building and national consensus building. So as long as whatever action is taken is done within the framework of the constitution of the party, the action taken will be answered comprehensively, verse and chapter. Newly-led CCC spokesperson Williams Madzimure told Newsday that the party was still consulting within its organs on how best to deal with Tshabangu. Said Madzimure, "We are in the process of reaching a decision. We rely on the organs of the party to make decisions. Party organs will finalize how we are going to deal with matters. It's difficult to try to amicably solve issues when someone continues to err and making unilateral decisions. So I don't think it's possible. From the time we made the decisions to reconcile until today, we should have found each other, but it seems it's now difficult, especially when dealing with an individual. If you look at the planned pre-Cape Farm tour, it's purely a ZANU-PF program. Where do we get in there? And you wonder why someone would rally opposition legislators and senators to attend." Ndo mabuditsiro akatwanya iyi muri Zimbabwe ne the Pendula News tisingazive kuti munoona sei tudzezwa muri kufunga no comment section.
Anderson, we as a country, we are not going to be moved in any dzekunzi mamwe matsotsi ema MP aenda kuprazo aenda kunofurirana zvavanosika vachifurirana, that's rubbish zvezvezvi. Hazvisizvo zvinopa kuti nyika iende mberi. Next time ana veZimbabwe vhurikai maziso, musaise members of parliament vari in love with money. Isai members of parliament vanoda vanhu, vanonzwa tsitsi nevanhu, vanomiririra vanhu, kwete kuti vaite captured netsotsiyo. Anderson, now zvaapachena kuti Mnangagwa imbavha and he must resign. Mnangagwa even akati haadi kuresign, we are going to move tikumubvisa achienda achinozorora notamba nevana kumaprazi. Izvo zvakuenda kuprazi izvo, this is the last kick of the horse. Andibatswa hazviti move izvo. Dakutaura vana veZimbabwe chinja munofana muziva politics dzemunyika medu. Kana kuti unatsoona kuti president akuenda zvaanotanga kuita, mazuva ake kana asara mashoma muoffice akuda kudzingwa, chaanotanga kuita 1, kupa mukadzi wake doctrine, kupa madegree mukadzi wake. Chechipiri, kudedza vanhu kumaprazi. Kana munhu akuenda anotiza kuitira mameeting muState House, otanga kunogadzira kakabhao kake kuprazi, takazviona hapana chinyowani. Zvese zvokupa vakadzi madegree izvo takazviona. Ima muzvibvunza here kuti kana munhu temu yake yakwana yekuenda sei achipa mukadzi degree? Ada kuedza kuita sei, ada kupuruvhei? Musabatwe kumeso, hakuna kwazvinoenda zvese zviri kuitwa izvi. Manzwa ka? Kuprazi ikoko vanhu vanenge vatori ikoko vari kutoti anopenga, ari kufunga kuti pamwe totengwa naiye. Havasi kuzvida vanhu, 90% yevanhu vese vari kuitiswa ava. Vazhinji vacho vamwe havazogona kungomira chipa chokwadi chingoti uyu anopenga. ED ndiye corrupt, ane corruption inonyadzisa. Ezvakanyadziswa nezuro, lawyer naChimombe rakabva rangotaura straight zvikanzi mari yakaenda muaccount yakati and account ndiya ED.